Hi there, Shanna Cramer here, Creatively Uncorked. I just have this final geode. This is the one that we've worked on through the entire class. And I just want to show you the final close-up of how it turned out. We've got over here, and we've already fixed the rocks, so these are on pretty sturdily here. These rocks aren't coming off. Pretty good. We've got some nice glitter right up in the corner, so you can kind of get a better view of that. You can see how those glass rocks sparkle in the light. Zoom out a little so we can take a look. So you can see this is the lower left area where we had a lot of selling really early on. And most of the selling did stay. You can see how the glitter just really had an impact on that. The glitter mixing with the silver and mixing with the black really did do some stirring up of the paint and got some really interesting areas there. So now we're over looking at the lower right corner and a lot of selling there. Look at how interesting that turned out. So this part I'm really happy with. I really do like the way it looks. And this we just had the two different glitters. We had silver, black and white. And at the end, right over the top, we just added a little touch of that snow glitter just for some extra sparkle. It's hard to tell with this overhead light, but you can see there's a little tiny hint of sparkle just right across the top. It mostly ended up in this area. There's that metallic silver. You can see it shine. It really is shiny. So we've got the shiny metallic, we've got the glittery glitter, we've got the shiny glass. And then the paint itself is very matte and very flat from the Floetrol, so we have a lot of nice contrast throughout this whole piece. So there you are. That is how our black and white geode turned out. Thanks for watching.